What's going on, guys? So right now we are currently on the way to go pick up a new bumper for the G35. Kind of all stems from the fact that the lip just flew off of the car, and I was kind of debating on going and picking up this bumper from this guy that's local. It's a KBD Nismo G35 bumper, and I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, I kind of want it, but I was like, I just bought the lip, so I was gonna wait on it and not get it, but the lip just flew off of the car, or well, flew under the car, and it's destroyed, so I might as well just go get a bumper. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at her new t-shirt. Slammed Enough, baby. We ended up going up to Nashville for Slammed Enough, but I didn't really film anything because I don't really have a gimbal, so like cinematic shots are like, they're not as nice. So hopefully I can get a gimbal soon and we can start filming some cinematic shots and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's go to get this bumper. We are currently 45 minutes away. We just stopped at Walmart to get some food for Haley. But yeah, let's go get this bumper. We just got the bumper. Look at it, it's folded up back there. It's pretty crazy. Like, it's KVD, you can just fold them up, do whatever you want with them. That's just folded up back there, chilling. We're on the way to Jacob's house, so I'll take it out when I get over there. And by the way, he's doing a 1JZ swap on his 300. Well, he already has one, but he's about to put the engine back in, hopefully really soon. So we're gonna check that out and everything, say what's up to him, and see what this bumper looks like. All right, guys, so it's actually been a couple of days since that last clip. The bumper is off of the G35, and it is actually, well, not currently being painted, but it just got done. I just got the text that it is time to go pick up the new bumper. He sent me a few pictures of it, and it looks absolutely amazing. I am so excited, which is crazy because my birthday is actually tomorrow for me, but for you guys, it's today. So yeah, getting the bumper back on my birthday, super excited. Not really liking the way that the car looks with no bumper. And I'm actually kind of scared about driving it to go get the bumper because I'm worried that, I don't know, if this is gonna like rub or anything like that. So hopefully it's all good and we can get the bumper and put it on today. Okay guys, so we just got the G35 bumper back from paint, and it looks absolutely amazing. I love this new bumper. Sorry, it's like super bright outside right now. It's just one of those beautiful days. But yeah, it looks so much better than I thought it was gonna look. Not that I thought it was gonna look bad, but it just looks so good. KBD absolutely killed it on this bumper design. And then the guys over at the paint shop killed the paint. The first time it was a little off and they fixed it. They made it perfect. But yeah, here's the bumper. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I literally love the way it looks. It's just amazing. And we got a little surprise back there. Comment down below why you think I bought a new truck. Hint. It's probably not the reason that you guys think, but I don't know. I'm gonna be dropping a video on why I bought the truck, plans for the 300ZX, because it is about time to show the 300ZX some love. It's just been chilling in here, getting no love, so it's time to kind of give the 300ZX some love. I do have a few things that I want to finish up on the G, headlights, coilovers, and I don't know, a few other things. And I got a truck. I don't know why I bought a truck. Comment down below and guess why I bought a truck. It's pretty crazy. I definitely didn't, I need a truck, but I didn't expect myself to buy a truck. Yes, it is wrecked, but it does run and drive, and somehow has a clean title. I don't know, no frame damage, but the front end is pretty busted up. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, go subscribe if you're new. Got a lot of big stuff coming with the truck, the Z, and just a ton of stuff. So hit that subscribe button. All right guys, peace.